Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Oh, Jack is so excited to film. He loves it, don't you? Okay. I know, buddy. Oh goodness, you just got a bath. You're so fresh and clean. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my ridiculous Christmas outfit collection. And oh my goodness, I have made so many Christmas outfits through the years. I keep making Christmas outfits even though I don't need any more because my little holiday section in my closet is starting to, it's already over full, so I do not need any more outfits for Christmas, but yet I keep making and buying them. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find everything that I have because I've got some other Christmas outfits stored away, and I am not gonna be able to talk through this whole video because I'll just end up rambling like I usually do. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a run through of everything, and then I'll put text on the screen like telling you guys where I got everything or if I made it. So I still feel like it's gonna be a pretty lengthy video, so grab your favorite snack or beverage or both and sit back, relax, and enjoy, and let's get started.